Nothing ruins that first day of vacation excitement faster than standing by the baggage carousel, watching every suitcase but yours roll by. If you've ever felt that sinking feeling as your bag goes MIA, trust me, you're not alone, and you don't have to let it happen again. Let me walk y'all through how I make sure my luggage always shows up where I do. First off, the golden rule. If you can, don't check a bag at all. Master that carry-on game and you're already way ahead. But hey, sometimes that's just not possible. Maybe it's a long trip or you need special gear. So here's where you really start stacking the odds in your favor. Step 1. Make your bag stand out. I ditched my boring black suitcase for a bright one you can spot from across the airport. If you love your current bag, add a neon strap, a wild tag, or something that screams, "This is mine." Not only will you find it faster, but baggage handlers are less likely to misplace it when it doesn't blend in with hundreds of lookalikes. Next, never trust just those flimsy paper tags the airline gives you. They fall off all the time. Grab yourself a sturdy luggage tag with your name, email, and phone number tucked safely inside a waterproof cover. And toss a card with your info inside the suitcase too, just in case the outside tag goes missing. Here's a real game changer: luggage trackers. I drop an AirTag or a tile deep inside my bag, and I can see exactly where it is right from my phone. If the airline claims it's in Paris, but my tracker says Miami, I know where to push for answers. Let's talk timing. Tight layovers are a recipe for lost luggage. Try to book flights with at least an hour between connections, especially if you're changing planes in a busy airport. Early morning flights are gold. Less chaos, fewer delays, and your bag's more likely to make it on board with you. Don't check your bag too soon either. The longer it sits around, the more likely it is to get lost. Check in closer to the cutoff and always keep essentials, meds, electronics, jewelry, in your carry-on, just in case. If you're traveling with someone, split your clothes between bags. That way, if one goes missing, nobody's stranded without clean underwear. And before you hand your suitcase over, snap a quick photo of it, inside and out. If you need to file a claim, pictures speak louder than words. Above all, be calm but persistent if your bag goes missing. Politeness goes a long way, but don't be afraid to advocate for yourself, especially if you have a tracker showing where your luggage is hiding. So there you have it: standout bags, solid tags, tracking tech, smart timing, and a backup plan in your carry-on. With just a little extra effort, you can keep your travels stress-free and keep your luggage by your side. Safe travels, y'all, and may your next trip be baggage loss free.